Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and practical tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add gold to your TradingView watchlist step by step. Whether you're new to TradingView or just want to keep a closer eye on the gold market, by the end of this video, you'll have gold bookmarked and ready to track on your dashboard, and you'll understand exactly how to find and manage assets in TradingView like a pro. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to TradingView. If you haven't used it before, TradingView is a super popular charting platform. Think of it as your central hub for tracking market data, making watch lists, and analyzing all sorts of assets from stocks to crypto and, of course, commodities like gold. So pop open your browser and go to TradingView.com. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and sign into your account, and if you don't have one yet, signing up is quick and free for the basic version. Alright, once you're on TradingView, take a look at the main interface. Towards the top of the screen, you'll see a navigation bar with different options. You want to find and click on Select Products. This area lets you choose which asset classes or markets you're interested in, whether it's stocks, indices, currencies, or commodities like gold. It's like picking the aisle in a grocery store that has exactly what you're looking for, so you don't waste time hunting around. Now focus your attention on the right-hand side of your screen, where you'll see your watch list panel. This panel is like your personal favorites tab, perfect for keeping an eye on the assets that matter most to you without getting overwhelmed by all the action in the broader markets. At the very top of that watch list, there's a little plus sign, the plus button. That's your tool for adding new instruments. Click that plus sign and a search bar will appear. Next, simply start typing gold into the search field. As you type, TradingView will instantly start pulling up different symbols and contracts related to gold. You might see things like XAUUSD, gold, or even specific gold ETFs, depending on what's available. If you're not sure which one to pick, XAUUSD is the universal symbol for gold priced in US dollars and works great for most people tracking gold price. Don't worry if you see lots of results, just choose the gold instrument that fits your needs. Once you've found the gold listing you want, you'll see another plus sign next to it. Give that a click and voila, you've just added gold to your TradingView watchlist. It'll now appear right alongside your other favorite instruments. This small step is huge because it lets you instantly see price changes, customize alerts, or pop open charts with just a click. Imagine never having to search for gold prices over and over again. It's always right there in your watch list, ready whenever you are. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully you found this guide straightforward and helpful. If you ran into any hiccups or you have other questions about TradingView, maybe you want to know how to set alerts or chart different commodities, just drop your questions in the comments. I love hearing from you guys, and I'm always here to help. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, clear walkthroughs just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.